The semi-finals are over.
What an incredible lineup it was.
Your journeys have only just begun.
But first,
Now it's time for the ultimate.
ultimate twist.
For the past 9 weeks, you've been judged in categories. But now we can announce...
Categories are officially closed. Over the next few days, myself, Kelly and Louise will decide our final 6 talents.
The chosen 6 could be any of you.
We are looking for the strongest talent.
All will be revealed.
via Facebook Live.
Tune into Facebook Live to see the results.
Keep those eyes peeled, guys, as we get ready to announce our final 6 contestants of Talent Search Cymru Season 2.